You might not believe me now, but I have 2 ways to help you spend $0 on your cloth diapering stash. You want to keep watching. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for popping in. Well, I really do have a couple of suggestions for you to start your cloth diapering stash with zero, Z-E-R-O dollars. Yes, it's true. You can do it. You really can cloth diaper with a minimal investment. And I'm going to show you how today. Let's get into it. The first way that you can start your cloth diaper stash with zero of your own dollars is to put cloth diapers on a diaper registry. Now, there are several ways that you can do that. I know registries have become the new hotness and new sexy. They've leveled up since I've had a baby, but you can put cloth diapers on your diaper registry, and some brands even offer their own diaper registry on their website that you can plug and play, put the diapers that you want in a cart, give that link to your family and friends, and they can pay for your cloth diapers. Yes, this is an amazing thing. When I was having my son and my daughter, my husband had a beer and diapers party, but instead of the traditional disposables, we got cloth diapers. And for the people who didn't bring diapers to the party, most of them gave us gift cards, like Visa gift cards, and I was still able to purchase cloth diapers with none of my monies for my baby. Similarly, when I was pregnant with my daughter, I had a work baby shower, and when they asked me what I wanted, all I told them was cloth diapers. Like, that was mainly what was on my registry. It was cloth diapers and a few other big items that I did need to procure, like, you know, an extra seat for my stroller, extra car seat, like things like that that I actually really did need. But I was really, you know, bare bones with the second baby, poor thing. In both cases, I was able to get the bulk of my diapers without spending my own money. I either got gift cards or I got the diapers themselves, and I was able to purchase the bulk. Y'all, I really don't even know if it's even fair for me to say that I spent money on my cloth diaper stash. I did incrementally, like above and beyond the initial diapers, but the number of diapers that I needed, like I felt like I needed, I got 30 diapers for my son, and I got about 30, maybe 35 diapers for my daughter. And that was like the baseline of my stash. I added to it a little bit, but really my stash for both children was gifted to me almost entirely. Now, if you want to go like the extra mile, you make sure that you put some like Drift and Tide or whatever you want to use to wash your baby's diapers on their registry too. And then you're really winning. Don't tell nobody I told you. The second way I have for you to start your cloth diaper stash with a $0 investment is for you to borrow a friend's diapers. When I was done with my son's diapers, I willingly gave them to a mom and a family that I thought would use them and would get some good use out of them. My diapers were well worn, but I warned her about that. I kind of told her that they had been used. I even gave her some ideas for tightening up the elastic because I knew that those were issues. They weren't perfect, but they were kind of higher end cloth diapers, and I thought that they could be used for another baby. I just didn't want to use them because I wanted girl colors for my little baby girl. There are other moms out there like me who want to see their cloth diapers get another round of love from another baby who can use them. So ask your family, friends, if somebody wants my cloth diapers, you can almost have them. I use them for Cloth Cuties. But yes, I'm almost ready to part with my daughter's stash as well. So yeah, you should definitely ask another mom who cloth diapers, even if you want to just test them out. Like, test them and see which diapers you like and maybe buy more later. It's just a way to get started with a $0 investment. Those are my 2 ways for building a cloth diaper stash with zero monies. I'm going to give you a few more suggestions for doing it with a lower price point. Y'all, I love talking about money and saving me some money because I can just think of all the things I can do with like the $1,500 or so that I saved per baby you know, that's just money that I could just, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something, or if you have another way to save a mom money on cloth diapers, make sure you drop it in the comments below. Let's get the dialogue going on this one. As always, guys, make sure you head over to clothcuties.com where there's more content to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.